I'm standing here in front of Upper Canyon, which is located in South Mountain, about 5 minutes away from Ahwatukee. And the reason why I'm standing here is because I want to be the first one to give you all of the details about this new master plan community. Now, some of the builders like you see here that we have is Pulte, D.R. Horton, and Blandford Homes. And as you can tell, I'm actually physically here. I was going through the properties, I was talking to some of the guys working and just getting insider access and information and everything that you guys need to know about this community. And right now we don't have pricing, we don't have any of the details about the properties, but we will soon. These homes are going to start selling here in the next couple of months. And why is that important information to know? And that is because the time to get the best deal in this community is actually right now. It's not when they're built, it's not 3 months from now, it's not a year from now, or not 2 years from now. It's pre-serving your lots before they even go on sale, because we're talking about instant equity that you're walking into. You got to understand that when these homes go up for sale and somebody locks in a lot, right, 2-3 years from now, when this whole community is built, yesterday's price is not today's price. So look, this is what I want to do for you. I'm actually creating a special list, and because you're watching this video, I want to give you a $10,000 rebate on one of these homes. Now, this is not through the buyer. This is not through the incentives. These incentives are coming directly from the Living Arizona Group, our home buyer VIP program. And basically what that program allows you to do is just to put more money back in your pocket. It's pretty simple. Now, to tell you a little bit more about the area, if you're not familiar with this, we're in South Mountain. We're actually in Phoenix. Right here to my right is the South Mountain Preserve. And if you guys didn't know, it's one of the biggest hikeable mountains in all of America. It has over 50 miles, 16,000 acres of hiking and biking trails. People literally will spend hours all day there. And that is literally right here. You can, I will show you with the drone footage. To the left is the homes, and right here we have South Mountain. And if you just keep going down the road a couple miles, it just keeps going and going and going. Now, this community is going to be divided into 3 different sections. Like I mentioned, Blandford Homes, D.R. Horton, and Pulte. They're all going to be having all different types of price ranges. Again, we don't have special pricing, but as soon as I get that, I want to be the first one to notify you. So in order to do that, I do have a form below that you can click, or you can text me, email me, call me, whatever it is, and I will make sure to put you on my waiting list, so that way you're the first one to have the information as soon as it comes out. Now, before I leave you, I want to tell you this. Look, I'm going to be coming back here once a week, every week, until this community is done. So I'm going to see it getting built. As you can see from the drone footage, there's not a lot built yet, but it will be going up very, very fast. Consider me a local expert in this market. I'm here for all of your wants and needs, and just to make sure that you guys get the best deal possible. Full disclosure, I do not work for any of the builders here. And the reason why I'm here and telling you that is because I do have reps of all of the companies, and I do have people that can give me information before it comes out to the public, which again, I will make sure to send that out to you. But the last point that I want to emphasize is, look, the builders work for the builders, and the builders protect their interests over anybody. Go into any new build and they will tell you, look, my job is not to get you the best deal possible. My job is to make sure that I get the builder the best deal possible. But when you work with somebody like me, somebody who's qualified, who's a sales professional, who's been doing this for some time now and knows how to get inside information, and you walk in well represented, you will get a good deal, because the price that they have there is not the final price that they're going to sell it at. They have room to negotiate, and you need somebody that's going to be there negotiating for you. Now, I want to be that person. Again, all the information that you need is right here below, or it's on the screen. Be sure to text me, email me, or reach out to me, and I want to be the one to get you a good deal. With that being said, I'll see you guys in 2 weeks in the next video.